How to remove filter from TikTok video. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up TikTok, and once you open up TikTok, you may tap on the plus button in order to create a video. So once you tap on the plus button, you may go ahead with the process of creating a video, and in the right side, in the left side of the record button, you should be finding some effects. You may go ahead and apply if you want. So let's say you want to remove that TikTok filter. So what you need to do is simply tap on this view all effects option. And once you tap on it here, you will be finding all of the effects, including the one that you are using right now. In order to remove it, all you need to do is tap on this option remove, this one right here, the one with the circle and a cross. All you gotta do is simply tap on it and it will remove the filter, and then you may just go ahead and record a video and post it on your TikTok if you want. So that is how you basically remove filter from TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.